you do things like.
Oh, he eats raw meat?
Yeah.
Eesh. It's good.
So get the shadows.
You can come in.
Somebody said, be careful, mistakes happen. They do. They do.
Come. 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 All right. So you close it and open. Let him come inside first.
It's not loading? Ash, you can wait. If it's not loading, just wait.
Open.
Yeah, just wait.
I mean, it's
Okay, so that will come in.
Okay.
if you want me to.
Yeah, I would just wait.
Kenzie.
We're going inside of here?
No, he's gonna feed first.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
It's so hyper when you get a lot of people around. Yeah. Please.
He never sits still, huh?
Yeah.
Dang,
Yeah.
he's right there next to him.
Yeah.
So he's chilling.
Yeah.
Because he's used to him, though, huh?
He's been with them from beginning.
Oh, really?
So they smell. They smell. They.
I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know why. It just wanted to attack me.
He sees you. He sees you as a threat. He sees you as a threat, brother. Don't worry, Tiger. He won't hurt you.
He saw some little videos.
Yeah, right. Yeah, he's seen them videos.
Some tissues, please.
It's just eyes on you. You. I don't know why. But
Maybe it's a love.
Dang.
Yeah, he's
So
going there.
bro's not even scared of the tiger.
No.
You go in there sometimes too,
Sometimes, but you got to get them.
but not like
calm.
him.
Oh no, he's there every day.
Really? So you would go in and not be afraid?
It depends. I don't think I would always want to take the risk going
Yeah,
in
yeah,
because
yeah.
he knows them better when he feeds them and everything.
Yeah,
But if they're calm, I just come in and tap them and they're cool like
Yeah,
that. But
yeah.
if they're also wild, you got to be careful.
Yeah, facts.
They fight him sometimes. Yeah, he has to fight back. Yeah, if you don't, then they're over you.
Only the strong survive.
Yeah.
so let's see. Nana is taking one. If you would like to eat another one again, you will try it. Kunta will rush and eat it all from your hand.
Yeah.
So with this guy, I know he's very. When he sees people around, he becomes a bit hyper. But we'll feed Kunta through here, right? So what I'll do is I'll lock Kinsey over there. Then we can come in here and feed.
Thank you.
Kunta here. Come.
Yeah, I would wait until we get like to like the market or like the activity to promote. To promote anything. Yeah. All platforms. We'll do that. What I just said. Yeah. No, it's good. All platforms won't have to do it yet until we get to like the market. Or the activity.
Do you have any plan? Like, do you want to pose with them something like do some kind of video? What I can get him to do is maybe send the two of them there, and then you be here, so they'll be locked over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then they either jump at the back or something, and you take pictures.
Yeah, that's chill.
Yeah, that's something like that.
We can do that.
Yeah,
Did you see how you eat that?
He's eating a bone too?
everything. They swallow everything. Like.
Dang.
That was gangster where he ate that.
Golly.
Boy. That was seven.
Is that okay?
Freedom.
Sammy,
Yeah. So let's feed Kunta.
So how many can he eat in a day?
You see the chicken bag, the food box.
Yes, the box.
She takes one at a go. The meal takes like sometimes two, but I have to control his feeding. He can eat like three if I want to give him at a go. Yeah. So when you go there, you see the difference.
So the other tiger doesn't have a scar? Does the other tiger have a scar? Or
no,
Really?
no.
So that
this-
one's just beating up on this one.
Yeah, sometimes this one wins. But
really?
this time, yeah, like, you know,
So he got scratched and just went away.
yeah.
Really?
They
Was
got-
he
they got
was it
serious
bit
pause.
or just a scratch?
Oh, just the fingers, the
One
fingers.
time
Wow,
just
yeah.
hit my hair and I fell because I didn't know if the hand came through the hole. There was a hole over there, and it just I wasn't aware, and it just hit me so hard.
You fell?
Yeah.
When?
Oh, that was I think a year ago or so. Or later,
It
maybe.
hit you in the chest?
Yeah.
It's just,
yeah.
bro, he's been with them for 4.5 years.
You got a scratch?
So easy. Then. No, there wasn't scratch. You know, just I think it just hit.
His
not
hand?
The paw.
And you fell? God dang.
So he's gone swimming now.
Yeah, it's been a- so let's work on
So, I was thinking that, you know, maybe later you can get Ash to take some pictures, right? But you keep them behind. So they jump behind him and then you take that picture. That'll be good. I'm sure your team can edit it too.
Let's do it.
Let's switch to that.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Tell him, hey,
Yeah.
tell him you ain't worried about it, huh? Say, I ain't worried about it.
Kid, how are you doing?
Okay.
He said, how you doing?
How are you doing? Kinti, how are you doing? Look here.
What? Oh.
Now, when it gets a bit overexcited, they use the tail to communicate. But we'll talk more about their behavior.
Good. Huh?
So, here's some stuff that we want to go to the
Yeah.
street to give.
Mm-hmm.
We got to give them like 50 bags of rice and
Oh,
food
really?
and stuff. Yeah. Do you want to pose with them something like do some kind of video? What I can get him to do is maybe send the two of them there and then you be here. So they'll be locked over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then, you know, they either, you know, jump at the back or something and you take pictures.
Yeah, that's chill.
Yeah, that's something like that.
We can do that.
Yeah.
Did you see how you eat that?
He's eating a bone too?
Everything. They swallow everything. Like.
Dang.
That was gangster the way he ate that.
Golly.
Boy. That was
Is that okay?
treated me.
Sammy?
Yeah. So let's feed Quinta.
So how many can they eat in a day?
You see the chicken bag, the food box.
Yes, the box.
She takes one as a go. The meal takes like sometimes two, because I have to control his feeding. He can eat like three if I want to give him like a go. Yeah. So when you go there, you see the difference.
So the other tiger doesn't have a scar? Does the other tiger have a scar? Or
No.
Really?
No.
So that
this-
one's just beating up on this one.
Yeah, sometimes this one wins. But
really?
This time, yeah, like, you know,
So he got scratched and just went away.
yeah.
Really?
It's-